So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a duplicate of each slide in your Canva because I just recently changed this, April of 2023. So I'm just going to open this one that says Reel. Okay. And as you can tell, I have reels just going across the bottom here. So in order for me to duplicate that, now you have to go to the very bottom where you see this little grid view and it has the number of slides. You click on that. Okay, then you click on the one that you want to duplicate. So say I want the second one or the third one. Click on that right quick here, and then you go look at the left at the top, and you'll see a little icon with a plus sign that says duplicate page. Click on that, bam, you got it right there. And you can click that as many times as you need to. If you want to reverse that, you click too many times, just click the button above that says undo. Okay, it's that simple. Any questions? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe and like the video.